Daddy.
Still made piece of history. It's 188. Fire 15 miles.
42. The siege and passion of Corridor lasted 27 days after the fall of Bataan. Corridor surrendered May 6, 1942. The death march was already 10 days over. Those who fought, defended, and surrendered here were not part of the Bataan death march. But be aware that in Bataan then, the Filipinos, the Americans, and the Japanese had a common enemy. At the time, Bataan was the best place to get malaria. They always said that in Bataan, the mosquitoes had air superiority. Teng, teng, teng means Japanese are coming, we are evacuating the area. We only have 2 seasons here, hot or very hot. Pero it's still better than raining. Kaya hindi ako nagpapumada, natutunaw. So sa ulo muna tayo ha. Being the largest of the 5 islands at the mouth of the bay, Corridor is from the Spanish word corregir, to correct. During the Spanish period, all ships going in and out of Manila Bay want to upgrade and spend overnight, free accommodation here. I'm in charge of housekeeping. And for ghost hunting, stay in the room. Ayun pa po, inaalis namin yung mindset na multo. Walang multo sa Corregidor. Marami dito aswang. Kasi island to, kami nag-aaswangan. O yung pangit dito, 3 araw lang, pwede na. And pag trekking po, no, I start the group from top side, walking downhill, recover more areas that way. Other guides prefer bottom side uphill, you get tired easy and say, let's go back to the hotel. Look to your right side now. The original stairs going to top side barracks, which you'll see later. Hospital, 300 bed capacity. And all buildings, including the chimney, including the hospital, have chimneys. We don't get snow for Santa Claus entry. The plans were standard ground in the US constructed here. We got chimneys. Now to your left side, this corner section, ground floor of the building, was at the time the coldest place in the entire island. It used to be the morgue. And when we have overnighters, we explore the building. I showed them the hospital chapel, the lounge, the infirmary, the private rooms, the kitchen, and the laboratory. And for now, we're just driving around kasi bonus lang po ito. So making you eager next time spend overnight. Now this is now the front of the hospital. Ito na po yung harap ha. Look at the topmost, to your left side topmost, barely readable, 1912, the year of completion. Tsaka sa mga Pilipino, dito rin po ginanap yung Japida Massacre panahon ni Marcos. Pero I'm bound by ethics not to discuss politics. Lalo na Marcos na yung bago nating presidente. I-google nyo na lang Japida, lalabas Corridor Massacre, 1968. Ang dahilan pa tumitiwalag ang Mindanao sa Pilipinas. So, huwag nyo na kayo sa survey for mamaya na nakita nyo hospital because this is not part of the tour. Aton lang po. Thank you, Tony. Now, for the meantime, do you ever wonder how come Filipinos do not speak Spanish? We were under Spain for 300 years and we speak English. It's our second language. We were an American territory 44 years only. I will tell you the answer to that. If you join my Intramuros tour one time, I'll mention to you the first batch of American educators, the Thomasites. But when the Americans arrived, I guess to our advantage, they were lazy and did not want to learn any of our 122 languages, but industrious enough to teach us English instead. Now we speak English. Thank you very much. Nowadays, they say if you speak many languages, you are multilingual. If you speak 2 languages, you are bilingual. If you speak only 1 language, you are an American. It's safe. Last month, I made 32 people go up. Only 3 fell down. Sabi ng teacher sa grade 1, Pedro, sabihin mo sa English, ang uwak ay hilang-hilang naglalakad. Isip siya, wak, wak, wik, wik, wak, wak. This marker is the emblem of the 59th Regiment that stayed here, still attached to the building. Sa kanan naman, right side is top side main parade grounds, which became drop zone for the American paratroopers retaking in 1945. And to the far right, there are several houses now covered by trees. You'll see them later up close. for American officers with their families stationed here. 27 units of the senior officers' family quarters row.
Now from topside barracks, they took pictures of the parade grounds and the houses to right.
At the back of the gun, there is no firing pin or breech block before the surrendered General Wainwright ordered his men destroy and decommission all guns, 45 caliber upwards, so the Japanese cannot use them anymore. They got the breech block and dumped them in the sea. Now, straight ahead was the gunpowder room, left side, shell room, cartridge room, generator rooms, the walls, 3 feet, and the roof, 8 feet of reinforced concrete designed to be bomb-proof. Now, holes and damages are not bullet holes. When the floor is damaged, a bomb dropped, boom, damaging the floor. Fragments or shrapnels will ricochet, making holes and other damages. It was suicidal to be anywhere out here in broad daylight.